sure it's working, Uncle Al? It doesn't look like it's working. I think you're nuts, Uncle Al. Thank you, Uni. Oh boy. I put on the cheap filter right here. I got a fluorescent bulb and it's pointing towards me. And cut the glare and give it a nice tone as a sheet of white processing or typing or computer paper. Now, a lot of people, hi, I'm Uncle Al, aka Dive Bullfrog 79. A lot of people try to email me, but sometimes email doesn't work, and we know why. Uncle Alan uses his brains. I use a lot of tactics. And a lot of people ask me, I've got to, okay, and I said, I don't speak that, so I used to speak 12 different languages. Many people try to do live stream, all they're doing is like this. Okay, you can't do that, kids. You have to be face to face with the person. And get off the cell phone or a smartphone or whatever tablet or whatever gizmo you're on. Okay, hi, I'm Uncle Al again. Now, I do send hidden messages. I do send hidden codes a lot. And if you watch a couple of my friends' videos, you'll see, look where I'm pointing, certain clues. And if you don't get it, I'm going to punch you below the belt. I mean, I can't tell you every bit of detail because I am fighting number 2 and their representatives. Okay, I am not a number. I'm Uncle Al, your worst nightmare. Okay, see that? You should watch that old program. Then you take a good look at what's going on right here in the U.S., Canada, and everything. And who do I think is number 2? Go look at Hubble's Cats channel. Okay, first thing, I got a nice Halloween card for Amma because one of my emails didn't go through. I don't know why, because I think it's her router and her cell phone, so probably when she gets a computer, she'll pick it up. And that's going out to her. That's for Halloween. Yeah, I know it's September, but I'm on a deadline crunch. Also, getting her a Thanksgiving card. Now I got to wait for her birthday and Christmas because time crunch again at $2 for this, and the Halloween card cost me 99 cents. My old pro counsel was this. This is the original plastic candle buck. Now you could used to do it with one hand with no little gizmo thing. Still good. Now they make an automatic version of this. But Uncle Alan's old school, and I still keep this around. I do have the little thing if you've seen my old videos. I like to carry this. Comes in real handy between the second and third rib. Ask Steve about that. Of course, there's a strainer. Now, let's see, I'll put that away. Now, I have a little bit for the tactical guys after this. I don't know what I'm going to title this video. You're going nuts, Uncle Al. Didn't you hear what the doctor said today or yesterday? You're going to die. Thanks, Uni. Oh boy. Okay, we got, I think it's quinona with brown rice, man. This is my fast version. I do like cooking prepared 101 stuff. It's very good. And oh, here's a little hint. Uncle Al used to work at a steak joint. You always order the baked potatoes. Because normally when we make mashed potatoes, we got a big mixer in the back. We take a 25-pound or 50-pound sack of dried instant potatoes. Nowadays they have it in number 10 cans, but when Uncle Al was young and strong and knew how to carry sacks, that's how we made mashed potatoes. It's cheaper than buying potatoes because you had to refrigerate it. With the instant mashed potatoes, it's in a sack, it's sealed, no bugs, nothing gets to it. When you needed it, you unzip the top, the strings, pour in the amount you need into the giant mixer, just half a bag, and then you add cream, butter, and maybe parsley. And because it's a fancy steakhouse, and whatever they demand on it, and you mix it in, and you have a jet coming down, and you fire in hot water with a big measuring cup. Now, a lot of people who doesn't work in restaurants don't know about this, and this is really, really old school, because Uncle Alan's a really old school kind of guy. Okay, now this one is as packaged 200 calories, prepared it's 220. It's a really good deal. I'd probably reboxes and put it in kind of a bag, and everything's included, so I don't have to really worry about this. Now, this is not long term. This is for my ready to eat stuff in the suitcase. Everything in that suitcase would be gone by within a month or 5 months time. That's 40 days of food. And I can compress this into half or a third of its size because I know how to do compression. Then I got the Winco Cheaper Mix, the rice pilaf mix. Same amount, but it's packaged at $190. Prepared at $220. But Uncle Alan knows how to bump these things up. You guys got ramen bombs and crud like that. But Uncle Alan is always searching. And then somebody reads my letters, I guess. Because they got back my favorite produce from Underwood. I like liverwurst. Okay? I hate the chicken and I hate the devil ham. There goes Winco back. Now remember, I told you about StarKist Chicken Creations. Okay? They went on sale. So I got all these for $1. What's $1? I got zesty lemon pepper, and I got the Chicken Creations. That's the buffalo. This is really good. And I think this is ginger soy. Okay, it's about 90, 80, 70, depending what the purpose is. And each one, because they're adding other stuff to it, like the soy and ginger, that bumps it up to a 90. That bumps up to 80 because they add, let's see, buffalo sauce to it. And this is zesty pepper. Okay, and I do have the chicken sandwich is 110. So you can see the difference on each one. And my old standby, liverwurst. Now, do Uncle Alan eats hardtack? Yes and no. I don't have teeth anymore, so I have to grind everything up. Okay, kids, it's almost 10 minutes. Yeah, let's see what we have to say hello. Let's see. Let's do these guys. Okay, Antonia Palmetto prepared. Let's talk about Tyler. Tyler does a really good reading of Lucifer's Hammer. Please listen to it. It's very good. Also, he said the 1800s sucked. Yes, if you lived on the frontier or you lived in America at that time, it really sucked. Everybody else, depending on location in the world, kind of culture-wise, you have to figure it out. Okay, and then Cheryl Hirsch, DOI Fun. David Lent, good with the chickens. And then Prepping in Progress. I really like these guys. Good. And Reed's channel, Manifestation of Imagination. Yeah, I understand when you have all this trouble. And DOI Solar. You're going to learn the hard way, kid. And we don't forget our friend up in Canada, the number 2, Hooples Caps. Please make sure you watch his channel. And let's see, what do I have left? No, you don't want to know about that. It's too dangerous. No, not that. Yeah, I forgot about that one. Nope, don't want to learn about that. That'll make you nuts. Oh boy. Sorry. Becky, you're not ready yet? Oh, yeah. Don't forget just-in-time prepping with Will. See that? Yeah, just-in-time prepping. I might go over 10 minutes. I'm trying to find my right cardboard, but Uncle Alan's getting old. Uncle Alan's getting tired. Uncle Alan's lost it someplace. Okay. You got to check out Prepared Norseman and Ethical Preparedness. Okay, I like these two channels. I like the Prepared Norseman. He's well-spoken, well-educated, like Hubbles. And also, I like him as a friend, but he has a low view count. Okay? You need to expand your mind, kid. You don't have that much time. At best, with my stalling, I could stall it until 2025 at the best. All right? If not, you're in a heap of trouble. You're in Norway, and it's an oil-producing country. Think about it. I know you're smart, and you should understand what's going on. Okay, kid, and don't forget ethical preparedness. I really like him. Uncle Alan's been doing this for a long, long time. And Uncle Alan's kind of tired. Ugh. I kind of wear these weird get-ups because it catches your attention. I ran out of time. I was going to talk about the tactical guys. I'll probably do it in my next video. So I'll catch you later, kids. Bye, kids. Uncle Alan has a whole thing on the tactical and gun guys. And boy, is he really upset. Catch you later, kid. Bye.